Okay. Hello. Yes, okay. Okay, geometry people. These are your notes. You are going to copy the notes. You're going to copy the notes, and you're going to take your little phone, and you're going to snap a picture of it. You're going to send it to me. That's going to be the first part of your assignment, okay? The second part is just more circle and arc stuff. So our notes are going to be a couple from homework number 8, which half you guys did and half you guys didn't last Thursday, okay? So let me just check my little tripod here. Okay, we're good. So you're copying this stuff down. I'm just going to do a couple problems. Yes, put the date on your notes. It's 3/18/2020. We're going to name this circles and arcs. Okay, draw me a couple circles, the best you can. And if you can't draw a good circle, go get a cup or go get a one of those, like a large silver dollar or something you can trace, a jar, who cares? I'm good at drawing circles because I've been drawing them for a long time. There's one. There's two. Okay, they're not that good, but whatever. And let me draw a couple things. Let me draw a, make sure that you put the centers in first, because then you can draw your diameters and your radii and stuff like that. So we're going to go straight through here and straight through there and draw another little guy over here. And the best part is you can't go, oh, you're going too fast, because you can rewind your video. Okay, I don't want to hear it. You're going too fast, slow down. Okay, save it. 1, 2, 3. Put those congruency marks right there. 3 of them. And let's label these D, E, F, H, and G. Let me give you one measurement of 40 degrees. And I'm going to say, what is the measure of arc D, F, H? Okay? And now when we were in class, we used highlighters and we highlighted what we wanted to find, okay? We're doing the same thing. And you don't need a highlighter, you can shade your pencil. And since you guys are going to be copying this stuff, you're either going to be able to print it or you're just going to copy it. I'm not going to make you print it because I don't think we're allowed to make you print stuff from home or whatever, but on your assignment, you're going to have to copy these problems if you can't print. I don't want to hear you crying about it because you got plenty of time, believe me. Why don't you look at your screen time on your phones from yesterday or this week, and I guarantee you it's astronomical. Some of you guys probably have over 80 hours already of screen time, I guarantee it. And don't just blame it on doing your homework. Logan McLean, you probably got about 95 hours. And I didn't see you last week, really. Thursday or Friday. So you've had a 9-day weekend already. Okay, DFH, D, F, H. I'm going to go like this. I'm going to trace it, DFH. Now, it wouldn't be this one, because that would be DH. Basically, when there's 3 letters in the arc, it means it's going past a semicircle and it's past 180. So we have to find this portion here, okay? What do the congruency marks mean? Well, the congruency marks mean that if this is 40, this is also 40. And if this has the same congruency mark, this is 40 as well, okay? Here's my question. Did I really need to put that 40 in there? And did I really need to do any of the work here? Do I have to find this? Not really, because I know that half of a circle is 180 degrees. If the whole thing's 360, half is 180. and I'm going to add that little 40 piece right there. And I think 180 plus 40 is 220 degrees, okay? If you didn't want to do it that way, you could have said, okay, well, if I cover this up and I'm trying to find this, you could have gone with your formula and said 40 plus 40 plus x equals 180 because it's a half circle. Sorry that that's scrunched in there, but who cares? We combine like terms on the same side of the equals sign, and we subtract the 80 from this side, and x equals 100. We could have just done this right here, and then added all of them up. 40 plus 40 plus 100 plus 40 equals 220. But that is my answer, okay? Let's do another one. You guys are going to have a bunch of these to do. I'm making you do all of them. And on this assignment that I'm going to post. And yes, it's multiple choice. And if you don't, if you do not have a way to print this thing, then you're going to copy at least the diagrams down. You're going to copy these down, and then you can just show me your work. It doesn't take you too long to copy them down. It takes you maybe 1 minute, okay? Big deal. I don't want to hear the sob story. Oh, my hand hurts. It doesn't. Okay. Let's do an easier one. Oh, no, let's do one of the ones that was kind of a pain. Let me think. Okay. Let's do this one. And sorry, this is oblong. Let's make this example 1 and this example 2. Okay, let's go like this, and let's go like this, and let's put that mark right there. I'll zoom it in for you. Let's go like this. Let's give us a little slanted one here. This is not going all the way through, and a little guy right here. So we divided up our pizza. Let's put in some values. This is 30 degrees. That's 55 degrees. That's 57 degrees. And let's put some points around the outside. The middle is G. The top is H. We've got an I. We've got a J. We've got a K, and we've got an L, okay? The question is asking, what is the measure of LGH? Measure of LGH. That's an arc. Remember, whatever the arc measurement is, it's the central angle. Central angles equal the arcs. It's 360 in and 360 out. So this is our question right here. I'm taking my highlighter. I'm tracing L, G, and H. I screwed that up. This is actually an angle, okay? So, my bad. Sorry about that. And you can't borrow my whiteout tape. They sell these. It's a non-essential item. I guarantee you that if you go to CVS, there'll be 1 million of these left. There won't be any bread. There won't be any rice. There won't be any chicken nuggets. There's no milk. There's no water. But they got these. Tons of them. All right? Let's trace the angle. LGH. Remember, the middle is the vertex, and that's our central point. LGH. We got this right here. Look, it's this. It's the whole thing. It's that big piece over there. So let me ask you this. What's that mean? You're right. It means it means it's a 90 degrees. That's the 90-degree window. We're trying to find x. What is our big equation here? If we know the whole thing equals 360, I'm going to do this reverse this time so I don't smash it in the corner, okay? 360, I'm listing all of these, x plus 90 plus 57 plus 55 plus 30. And what I'm doing here is I'm combining these like terms on this side, and oh my god, I really have to get a calculator for this. Okay. You guys have calculators on your phones, but my phone is recording the video. It better still be recording. Is it? Yes, it is. Okay. Okay, here we go. 90 plus 57, 90 plus 57 plus 55 plus 30 equals, I got 232. I'm going to go with it. X plus 232 equals 360, and we're obviously subtracting that 232. Let's see if I remember how to subtract. 10 minus 2 is 8. We changed that to a 5 because we borrowed. 5 minus 3 is 2, and 3 minus 2 is 1. X equals 128 degrees, which is that guy right there. I want to see these equations. And like I said, if you cannot print these, you are going to copy the diagram on each of the homework problems, and you're going to show me the work right here. And you are going to snap a pic and submit it to me. If you have a problem doing that, then I don't know what to tell you. You got to borrow someone's phone. You got to take a picture with your iPad. You know, borrow your little brother's Nintendo Switch, whatever these devices are, and we could go from there. Okay. So there you go. I'm all set. Remember, you have to show me your notes too. You're showing me your notes, picture of your notes, and then you're going to submit your assignment, okay? Not sure when it's due, I'll figure that out.